Culinary mastery, essential techniques, must-try recipes, and kitchen gadgets. Every chef should know. Seedling, unlocking the art of cooking, a journey through flavors, techniques, and tools for culinary excellence. Seedling. Welcome to Culinary Mastery, your one-stop shop for all things cooking. Discover the cornerstones of creating culinary masterpieces and elevate your kitchen game. Are you tired of your same old routine in the kitchen? It's time to spice things up. Step into a world of flavors, where every ingredient tells a story. With our essential techniques, you'll learn the secrets that transform ordinary meals into extraordinary experiences. Uncover the magic of sautéing, searing, braising, and much more. But it's not just about using the right techniques, it's about using the right tools. We'll introduce you to the must-have kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking process more efficient and enjoyable. Venture into our curated collection of must-try recipes. From savory appetizers to decadent desserts, each recipe is designed to inspire and delight. Our step-by-step guidance ensures perfect results every time. Join us on this journey as we unlock the art of cooking. Whether you're an aspiring chef or a home cook, we've got something for everyone. Experience the satisfaction of mastering new techniques, creating mouth-watering dishes, and becoming the star of your own kitchen. With culinary mastery, you're not just cooking, you're creating art. It's time to roll up your sleeves, tie on your apron, and start your culinary adventure. Welcome to the world of culinary mastery, where cooking meets creativity.